I started using Profoto for one reason: the amazing quality of these lights.
Good. Perfect.
I'm really not much of a control freak with my photography, but I want to be frame accurate. I want to be 1/10 of a stop accurate. And so I've got my meter set up to read in tenths. The beauty of these lights is that they also are controllable within 1/10 of a stop. If I'm 8 3/10 is what my reading is, but I really want to shoot at 8, I can just drop that down, beep, 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 just down 3/10, and I can do it that quick on the fly, and it's accurate. I want to make sure that my color temperature remains consistent all the way throughout the range, and it does with these lights. From shot to shot, from frame to frame, sometimes I'll get excited and I'll start shooting pretty quick and shoot on high-speed continuous mode. And the lights, as they keep up with me, they keep the same consistent output every time. You've put the controls in place so that your work looks exactly the way you envision it in your mind and that your client wants. And you've got to look like a hero to your clients. Now with the world of digital, often we're capturing in a studio situation and we're tethered to a computer, and you got a client looking at the computer all day while you're shooting. You better not miss. Working with the D1 lights, what I've found is another element of control that I really, really like for my style of work, is that with the main controller, the new variator switch, I can push it in and turn it, and I get one full stop increments. The interesting thing about these lights is that they're in 1,000 watt second, 500 watt second, and 250 watt second. With the 7-stop range, what that means is you can get as low as 15 watt seconds. That's huge. That's a major difference that we've never had before. What that means is, for the first time, you can be in the studio, you can work at a low enough wattage output with flash, with studio lights, to be shooting at 2.8 f4, working at really, really wide open apertures. This is great for photographers like me who want to draw attention to my subjects. I travel quite a bit in my work, and a lot of international travel. And the great thing about the D1s is the setup for multi-voltage. So you just plug the lights in anywhere in the world, and the voltage is automatically adjusted for that country. Or you don't have to plug them in at all. If you want to work with a battery pack, you can do that as well. That's an optional feature that you have. Another feature that the D1s have that it has to be one of the most popular features is the air control, and that is the remote transmitter/receiver that allows me to turn off and on any light on the set individually. I can also turn off and on any modeling light on the set individually, and I can also power up or down the output of any flash individually. And it just gives me the ability to be in complete control and save so much time on the set. Profoto, it really comes down to quality and durability. They work, they do what they're supposed to, they do it really well, they do it really fast. The quality of construction, from softboxes to grid spots to the entire range of tools and accessories, everything is so well made. And I'm tough on equipment. I drop stuff all the time. I've never turned on a Profoto light that it didn't turn on. And I can't say that about any other light that I've ever owned.